Yesterday, like Saturday, I was wandering around B&M Bargains and I took a camera just in case and I spotted these and got really excited. Why would I get excited about these? Well, it's because normally I use clear boxes, but these are white. Stick some Velcro in the bottom, stick some Velcro on the bottom of your light, stick it in there, and you can make the really, really effective light up box. Watch this, it's gorgeous. There you go, look at that. Put the lid on and it makes it super safe. Now, you could cable tie the lid on, of course, for some of our guys. It's wonderful. And the effect is going to vary depending on which light you actually put in it. You can put sound to light in it, you can put soft lights in it, you can put this in. Look at that, that's absolutely beautiful. And that is just a little slow colour changing light. This could be a bedtime box. What a lovely thing. Sticking a little one like this one. Where did we get it? Oh, yes, I remember. Got these at Oakwood Assessment Centre in Northern Ireland. They gave these to parents and they were lovely. Look at that in a box. Absolutely gorgeous. So all you have to do is stick Velcro in the bottom, stick a bit of Velcro on the bottom of the light, and if you use something like this, it makes it interactive. This is the old Ion Party starter, and this is sound activated. So it makes it a switchable box, and all you have to do is tap. And you've got some wonderful cause and effect. This is so simple, so easy to do. The boxes are in B&M Bargains at the moment. They're not clear, they're white, and they are fantastic.